So we are going to discuss balance scorecard. The balance scorecard (BSC) is a management framework developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton in early 1990s, which enables organizations to measure and manage their performance based on a set of balanced and strategic objectives. The BSC approach provides a comprehensive view of an organization's performance by taking into account four key perspectives. That balanced scorecard is a well-rounded approach to measuring business performance in four different perspectives, and they are financial perspectives, customer perspectives, internal business perspectives, and learning and innovation perspectives. Word balance. Balance implies balance in four different perspectives, means we have to focus equally on all the four perspectives, not to be more focused on one of the perspectives. Another important feature of the balance scorecard is business performance scorecard. So it is a scorecard where goals are set at one end and those goals are measured with the key performance indicators KPIs at another end. Suppose if we have a goals of sales growth, and this will be measured by percentage of market shares in total sales in the in the percentages. Another feature is looks at both financial and non-financial performance measures. Of these four perspectives, only one is financial perspectives, other customer perspectives, internal business perspective, and learning and innovation perspectives are non-financial performance measurement tools. In long-term success of the business or a sustainable business, we have to focus on four perspectives majorly: customer perspectives, financial perspectives, internal business perspective, and learning and innovation perspectives. Another feature is align business activities with strategic goals. Normally, strategic goals or strategic intent are targeted over customers, internal business, and learning and innovations areas. So, balance scorecard cover these core areas. They normally align business activities with the strategic goals. So let us look at how these four perspectives are defined in balance scorecard. So let us see financial perspectives. In financial perspectives, we have to see how we look to our shareholders. How do we look to our shareholders? In financial perspective, this perspective focuses on the financial objectives of the organization, such as profitability, revenue, and growth. Profitability, revenue, and growth. These are the key performance indicators that are measured in financial perspectives. Another one is customer perspectives. In customer perspectives, we evaluate our customers, how they perceive us. So in customer perspectives, we focus on customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as organizations' ability to meet customers' needs and expectations. So in customer perspectives, we will be more focused on customer satisfaction level. So another one is internal business perspectives, where we will be always searching for business excellence, continuous improvement in business. So what are the areas where we can excel, where we can improve our business processes so that customers will be happy and our cost reduction activities can be initiated. So this internal business perspectives will be more focused on business processes, which will satisfy customers' needs or reduces cost, or it may also reduces cost. So in internal business perspective focuses on internal processes that are critical to the organization's success, such as operational efficiency, innovations, quality, etc. And the last one is the learning and innovation perspectives. Here we see where we can improve, where we can continue to improve and create value. So this perspective focuses on the organization's ability to innovate and learn. and to develop the knowledge, skills, and capabilities of its employees. So let us take balanced scorecard with examples of a restaurant. In a restaurant, suppose in a restaurant focuses on trained and motivated staff who serves their customers with smile and generosity. The restaurant also offers various types of delicious food items to its customers. This is a learning and innovation perspectives. Restaurants also takes orders from customers in a digital tab by its staff. This orders automatically is received by cooking staff without any verbal communication or physical movement of order taking staffs. This type of internal business, processes not only reduces order timing but also reduces cost, offers quick services, and also makes table empty for other customers during rush time. This will, however, automatically increases revenue of the business. And this is, we can say, it is an internal business perspective. Another one is customer perspectives. So if we offer playground for the children, then this will drive family to lunch or dinner at a restaurant. The beautiful views, scenery will attract people to have wonderful time spent at dinner. This is a customer perspectives. Finally, improve business processes, reduces cost, improve quality services at low cost and less effort. Customers will be happy and satisfied. This will push sales of the restaurant and also profit of the restaurant to its shareholders. So this is a financial perspectives. Let us discuss balance scorecard with a case studies of Zamair. So Zamair is a airline company. So here is a case, and before going to the case, we will see the requirement of the case. For each perspective of the balance scorecard, so each of the four perspectives of the balance scorecard, identify one goal together with a corresponding performance measure. Means for each of the four perspectives, we have to identify one goal and its performance measurement, which could be used by Zamair to measure the company's performance. The goals and measures should be specifically relevant to the Zamair, obviously. When we are discussing about the case studies, we don't use other examples. We use those examples or those performance measurement which are relevant to the Zamair. So question is asking about the balance score for perspectives, goal and its performance measurement. So let us create one table: perspective, one goal and its performance measure. So it can be called KPI, key performance indicators. So four of the perspective is, one is financial perspectives, another one is customer perspectives, another one is internal business perspectives. In shortcut, I'm writing this, and the last one is learning and development perspectives. Let us study the cases. Wherever we find any of these four perspectives, we underline those statements. So Zamair was founded in September 2007 and is one of the growing number of low-cost airlines. So Zamair is renowned for low-cost airlines in the countries of Sanya. Zamair strategy to operate at low cost, high efficiency, airline, it does this by operating mostly in secondary cities to reduce landing cost. So it's one of the goal can be to reduce landing costs, and this goal can be the financial one. This goal can be the financial perspectives. Using only one type of aircraft in order to reduce maintenance and operational costs. So reduce maintenance and operational cost is also another type of financial perspectives. This can be considered as financial perspective. We are only asked one goal. Here we have already discussed about the two goals. These planes are leased rather than bought outright. So planes are leased to reduce maintenance and operational costs. Having only one category of seat class. So the plane does not have different economy or business class. Having no pre-allocated seats on in-flight entertainment, means there is no seat number in the flights. Focusing on e-commerce. So e-commerce e-commerce with customers both booking online tickets and checking in for flights online. So it is a business process. This is a business process. So it can be internal. It was not necessary that the ticketing should be online or the booking system should be online. But company has made these systems online. So to increase efficiency, operating efficiency. So it is internal perspectives. The airline was given an on-time arrival ranking of 7th by the country's best aviation authority. So on-time arrival. This on-time arrival can be, now we have, the company is ranked 7th. So we rank all of the 50 countries airlines based on the number of flights which arrive on time and their destinations. So this on-time arrival can be acknowledged good by the customers. So this can be a customer perspectives. So this can be a customer perspectives. Similarly, 48 Jamar flights were cancelled in 2013 compared to 35 in 2012. In 2012, only 35 planes were cancelled, flights were cancelled. In 2013, the number has increased to 48. It means this is a problem for the customers. So this flight cancelled can be a customer perspectives. It can be a customer perspectives. The increase was due to increase in the staff absence rate. So customer perspective is hampered due to learning perspectives, because there is a staff absentee rate. Why the staff absentee rate is high, we have to identify. So we have to reduce the staff absentee rate. This is learning perspectives, learning and development perspectives. So absence rate at Jamar from 3 days per staff member per year to 4.5 days. So staff absentee rate has been increased. So we can set our goal to reduce the staff absentee rate. The average ground turnaround time for airlines in Sanya is 50 minutes, meaning that on an average planes are on the ground for cleaning, refueling, etc. for 50 minutes. So this ground turnaround time, we can reduce this ground turnaround time, because the plane will earn revenue when it is on the air, not on the ground. So we can reduce this turnaround time, and it can be a internal business perspectives. So this can be a internal business perspectives. Customer satisfaction surveys have shown that 85% of the customers are happy with the standards of cleanliness in Jama planes. So customer satisfaction, increasing customer satisfactions can be the customer's perspectives. Customers perspectives, because now 85% of the customers are happy, so we have to increase this to 90% or 95% by setting goals. So, and these customers will be happy when the standard of cleanliness in Jamar can be improved. So standard of cleanliness, this can be a internal perspectives. This can be a internal perspectives. The number of passengers carried by the airline has grown from 300,000 passengers on a total of 3,428 flights. 300 passengers, no, 3,420 flights in 2007 to 920,000 passengers. So passengers has been tripled, 300,000 to 920,000. And the flight rate has also it increased 3,400 to 7,600, almost double. So passengers per flight has been increased in 2013. This can be increased. So this passengers per flight can be increased. This can be internal business perspective, because in a same flight, if we carry more passengers, the company will have economies of scales in passengers per flight. If they could increase, so passengers, number of passengers per flight, it can be internal business perspectives. So we have to increase our business processes to increase the passengers per flight. This can be internal business perspectives. Similarly, the overall growth of the airline has been helped by the limited route licensing policy of the Sania government. So in licensing, there is no, I think we cannot set any goal, which has given Jamair almost monopoly status on the some of its routes. So some of its routes. However, the government is now set to change this policy with almost immediate effect, and it has become more important than ever to monitor performance effectively. So this has hampered our performance. This will be hampering our performance. The government is now set to change this policy with utmost immediate effect. So there was monopoly in the market earlier. Now the licensing policy will be changed. Other air company will also get license. Because of this, our performance will be hampered. So we need to monitor the performance more effectively and more frequently with appropriate goals and its appropriate key performance indicators. So simply we can draw here financial perspectives we have drawn. Question is asking only about one goal and one performance measure. So we have identified financial perspective to reduce lending cost. One of the perspective is to reduce lending cost. To reduce lending cost. And its key performance indicators or performance measure can be lending cost per lend. Another is to reduce maintenance and operational cost. So its performance measurement can be to reduce maintenance and operational cost. So to reduce maintenance and operational cost, the airline is using only one type of aircraft. So for one type of aircraft, the same team or same people can maintain all the aircrafts. So to reduce maintenance and operational cost, we can say that maintenance or operational cost per leased planes. And in customer perspectives, we can set one goal, that is to reduce on-time arrival. Customer perspectives. So for on-time arrival, the performance measure can be on-time arrival ranking. Normally, flight get delays that is not arrived at stipulated time. So the goal can be set to reduce arrival time, or you can state this goal as to improve on-time arrival. And the performance measurement for this on-time arrival is on-time arrival ranking, which is being done by aviation authority. For the time being, another customer perspectives we have identified is flights cancels. To reduce number of flights cancels. Number of flights cancelled. And the performance measurement can be the number of flights cancelled. Very simple. How many number of flights have been cancelled per year, per annum? So we can calculate that. in order to reduce the number of flights cancelled. So this will be measured simply by the number of flights cancelled. Similarly, in internal business perspectives, we can have a ground turnover time to reduce. So the average ground turnaround time for the airline Sanya is 50 minutes. It has been stated, and meaning that on average planes are on the ground for cleaning, refueling, etc. for 50 minutes before departing again. So to reduce ground turnover turnaround time, turnaround time. So its performance measurement can be on the ground time. So for how long the plane will be on the ground. Turnaround time, sorry, less ground turnaround time means less time is spent on the ground. Means fewer planes are needed for the Jamaat company, which will reduce the plane's leasing cost as well also. However, it is important not to compromise the quality of cleaning or make errors in refueling as a consequence of reducing on the ground time. Another internal business perspective can be we have identified here this passengers, sorry, to increase number of passengers per flight. So if we can increase the number of passengers per flight, the plane can be operated with much, and the performance measurement for this can be number of passengers per flight. So this can be the key performance indicators to measure the passengers per flight. So we can manage, we can set target, we can set goal to increase the number of passengers per flight. So by internally managing flight timings, marketing for low fare for flights at specified times, this will increase passengers per flights and helps to bring economies of scale in operational cost. There is another internal business perspectives, that is perspectives. So development of online booking systems. Development of online, this will make easy for the customers to book tickets for the flights, but we have to manage internally. The business system. We have to change the business systems internally to develop the online booking systems. And in order to measure how effective our online booking systems is, we have to measure by its downtime time. Downtime downtime percentage. Downtime percentage. So the fourth perspective is learning perspectives. In learning perspective, there is a very important factor is staff absentees to reduce its staff. So this can be measured by absentee rate. Another one can be training. Increase training for crew staff and also for our staff. If we train our staff for these activities, we can reduce ground turnaround time, which will increase our operational efficiency, And the next one is we can train our staffs for effective cleaning so that the customer satisfaction level will be high. To increase, so number of training can be the, in this case the number of training can be the performance measurement. Sorry, the number of training days. The number of training days can be the performance measurement for this learning perspectives. In this way, in these four perspectives, we can set various types of goal and their key performance indicator or performance measurement to measure that goal. So the question has asked only one goal and its performance measurement. So we have identified more than one goal, in some cases three goals also, and their performance measurement. Thank you.